Hi, Hillbilly-creations here with Hard Knock Moto.
Welcome back.
Okay, and now we might shoot out some flames out the exhaust, so bear with us here. We are going to fire this loud bitch up.
First. Full. Oh, that's one more. She's trying.
So you can feel in there.
Keep pulling.
Put your foot on that brake permit.
Yeah, sure. Oh, yeah. Turn my moves. Technically, it is clutch. She'll fire up. Oh, that's something. Run out some kind of power.
I know she fired up fucking the Monday. She just fired right up.
Yep. Bring that shit out here. Oh! My bad. My bird's gonna catch on fire. Okay, we need an e-brake on this son bitch.
There is. You push this?
Jesus Christ, I think I broke the stand.
Uh-oh. Sorry, my love.
Oh, damn, that sucked. Hey, if it's an emergency, I was about to be lit on fire.
Oh, just the base. I might be able to fix that.
Yeah, some super glue maybe.
Oh, yeah.